Friends, first of all, let me extend my warm greetings to all UPSC civil service aspirants. I'm offering a course, an online course, which will help you to succeed in this most difficult of all examinations, the UPSC civil service examination. This course is on General Studies Paper 4 for the mains examination, which relates to ethics, aptitude, and integrity in civil services. Now, not many books or not much literature is available for this course, which has been introduced in 2013. And the biggest part about this paper is that 50% of the marks in this paper are reserved for case studies in ethics. These case studies can only be handled well by a person who has actually experienced these ethical dilemmas in his administrative career. And I feel I have that experience being a retired IAS officer. That's why I've designed this course totally on the case studies which have come in the civil services papers for the last several years, and I'll be discussing these case studies with you in each aspect of the case study, on how to understand a case study, how to evaluate a case study, how to segment a case study into various portions, and then come out with alternatives and come out with answers to the problems that have been posed in the case study, and come out with the ethical aspects or the ethical theoretical aspects that the examiner is looking for.